Hey guys, I'm at the park, and you know how my last video I said that I was going to do a running series? So today is going to be a 1 mile run, and we're going to break every quarter of a mile to do strength moves. So we're going to do a quarter of a mile, do maybe some arm strength training, and then we'll do another quarter of a mile, work on lower body, and another quarter of a mile, work on abs, another quarter of a mile, and then cool down. So that'll be our workout. It'll be 1 mile and then getting our strength moves. But check out this park. It's such a beautiful day today. Gorgeous day at the park. Victoria's playing over there. Beautiful day for a run. So a good idea is to time the distance for the run. I use my Fitbit watch to time myself, but if you don't have a Fitbit or some other type of smartwatch, you can use an app. You can use a Nike app or Map My Run, any type of app that will track the distance of your run. So once you get to 0.25 miles, pause it and then do the strength moves that we're going to do together. And then once you start back to your running, you're going to pause it and then get back to the strength moves. So use some type of app, or if you don't have a smartwatch, use some type of app like the Nike app or Map My Run to keep the distance of your run. So we got our run done, 1 mile done for today, and a little bit of strength. Thank you so much for working out with me. I hope you're encouraged to run more. Don't forget to stretch, and this is our cool down, so we're just gonna walk for maybe 2 to 3 minutes. So we're just walking, but hopefully you're encouraged to get out and run more. Hey, really quick before I ended the video, just wanted to share with you Appia's Post Workout Spray. It comes in a really cute box like this. This is the box. But you use the spray after your workout. So let's say you finished the run or finished another workout. You would just, after the workout, spray and mist your face. This is the cute bottle that it comes in. But this is the post workout spray that I was telling you about on the last video. But you just spray your face after the run, and it gives you this really calming mist on your face. So, you know, when you work out, your pores are open to pollutants. It helps with inflammation, blemishes on your skin, and it keeps the skin hydrated. It helps to bring back your skin's natural microbiome. So that is what this spray is supposed to help with. But yeah, it's called the Post-Workout Spray Calming Recovery Toner. It also helps with impurities and bacteria, and this you can get on the link here. I'll put the link here in the video and also in the description box. But you just go to that link and use my code Shanae15. You'll get 15% off of anything that you purchase. So all of their products are cruelty-free, so I love that about their skincare products. But just wanted to share that with you really quickly. Another skincare product that you can use after your workout. Anyway, thanks so much for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, or subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.